This is the most efficient floor plan in American residential history. Not the most beautiful, not the most dramatic, the most efficient. Equal rooms on every floor. One central staircase, serving all 4 quadrants. A hipped roof, with 4 identical planes. No wasted corners, no awkward circulation. No structural complexity anywhere in the building. And in 2026, it costs 30% less to build than almost any other 2-story tiny home layout at the same square footage. Not because it cuts corners, because it never wastes one. The floor plans that deliver the most space for the least money. That is, affordable tiny living, every single week. Subscribe right now and hit the notification bell. You will want every video we publish. The American Foursquare was the dominant working-class residential form in the United States from approximately 1890 to 1930. Not the style of the wealthy, not the style of architects with unlimited budgets and elaborate briefs. The style of the Sears catalog. The style of the mail-order house kit. The style that was chosen by hundreds of thousands of American families who needed a house that was honest about what it was, generous in its room sizes, efficient in its construction, and durable enough to last generations. The Foursquare achieved all 4 of those goals through one organizing principle, so simple that it reads as almost obvious in retrospect. Make it square. Square plan. 4 rooms on the ground floor, arranged in a 2x2 grid around a central stair hall. 4 rooms on the upper floor directly above them. A hipped roof with 4 identical triangular planes meeting at a central apex directly above the center of the square plan. Every structural decision flows from that one geometric commitment. The framing is repetitive. The roof is symmetric. The load paths are direct. The material quantities are predictable to the nearest board foot before a single nail is driven. And in 2026, those qualities translate into a build cost that is consistently 25 to 35% below what the same floor area costs in a more complex residential form. Today we cover exactly why, what the Foursquare tiny home looks like when it is built correctly, and the full 2026 cost breakdown that explains where every dollar goes and why this floor plan saves so many of them. Reason 1. The hipped roof has the lowest labor cost of any 2-story roof form. A hipped roof on a square plan has 4 identical triangular roof planes. Every rafter on every plane is the same length. Every hip rafter is the same angle. Every valley cut is the same geometry. The framing crew cuts one pattern and repeats it 4 times. On a complex multi-gabled roof, every intersecting plane requires unique cuts, unique lengths, and unique framing solutions at every junction. Framing labor on a complex multi-pitch roof over a comparable floor area runs 40 to 70% more than on the Foursquare's repetitive hipped roof. Reason 2. The square plan minimizes perimeter wall length. For a given floor area, the square is the most efficient rectangle. It has the shortest possible perimeter for any 4-sided plan. Shorter perimeter means fewer linear feet of wall framing, fewer linear feet of foundation, fewer linear feet of cladding, and fewer linear feet of roofline detailing. A 400 square foot square plan has a perimeter of 80 feet. A 400 square foot rectangular plan measuring 16 by 25 feet has a perimeter of 82 feet. An L-shaped plan enclosing the same area has a perimeter of 90 to 100 feet. The difference in wall material cost between the square and the L-shaped plan for the same floor area. $2,000 to $5,000 in framing, sheathing, cladding, and insulation combined. Reason 3. The central staircase eliminates circulation waste. In a Foursquare plan, the staircase sits at the center of the building, serving all 4 quadrants of each floor from a single central position. No hallway runs the length of any floor. No circulation corridor consumes floor area that could otherwise be a room. Every square foot of floor area in a Foursquare plan is a room. The central stair hall is the corridor, and it is also a room. The entry hall on the ground floor and the landing on the upper floor, both of which serve functional purposes beyond circulation. In more complex two-story layouts, corridor and circulation space consumes 8 to 15% of total floor area. That percentage of a 600 square foot two-story tiny home is 48 to 90 square feet of floor area paid for and built, but never used as a room. Reason 4. The material quantities are perfectly predictable. The Foursquare's geometric discipline means every material order can be calculated with precision before construction begins. No site-cut complex geometry, no material waste at complicated junctions, no reorders, because an unusual framing condition consumed more material than the estimate assumed. Waste factor on a complex residential build, 10 to 20% of framing material. Waste factor on a Foursquare, 3 to 6%. On a 600 square foot two-story build, using 12,000 board feet of framing lumber, that waste factor difference is 480 to 1,680 board feet. At 2026 lumber pricing of $0.80 to $1.20 per board foot, $384 to $2,016 saved in framing material alone before any labor calculation is considered. 4 reasons. Combined, they produce the 25 to 35% build cost advantage the title promises. The Foursquare exterior communicates one thing from any approach. This building knows exactly what it is. The facade is symmetrical. 2 ground floor windows flanking the front door. 2 upper floor windows directly above them. The hipped roof sitting centered above the whole composition. Nothing surprising, nothing irregular, nothing that the eye has to resolve. That visual certainty is the aesthetic of the Foursquare. Not ornament, not drama, resolved proportion. The wide front porch, spanning the full width of the facade, is the Foursquare's primary exterior feature and its most distinctive contribution to the streetscape. Supported by 4 square timber columns, sheltered by its own lower roofline, the porch is not a decorative element. It is an outdoor room, a shaded social space that extends the habitable area of the home beyond its enclosed footprint without adding a square foot to the floor area calculation. The hipped roof above the second story, 4 equal planes meeting at the central apex, a simple ridge cap at the peak. No decorative finials, no complex intersections. The roof doing its job and nothing else. Cladding typically follows the material tradition of the original Foursquare. Horizontal painted clapboard or cedar shingles, occasionally brick on the lower section, transitioning to clapboard above. Contemporary interpretations use fiber cement clapboard panels or engineered timber weatherboard in the same horizontal profile. The cost lower and the maintenance significantly reduced. From the street, this home reads as permanent, proportional, and completely composed. The quietest possible architecture for a building that is doing everything correctly. Step through the front door into the central entry hall. The staircase rises ahead. 2 rooms open to the left, 2 rooms open to the right. In a Foursquare tiny home, the ground floor quadrants are allocated to the most social and active functions. Kitchen occupies one rear quadrant. Dining occupies the adjacent rear quadrant, sharing its wall with the kitchen to minimize plumbing runs and the kitchen workflow. Living room occupies one front quadrant, opening through French doors to the front porch. The entry hall and a compact utility zone occupy the fourth quadrant. Every room is directly accessible from the central entry hall. No room requires passing through another room to reach it. No function is buried at the end of a corridor. The plan is as direct as a floor plan can be. The upper floor landing sits directly above the entry hall. The central staircase arrives at a landing that serves all 4 upper quadrants from a single point. Master bedroom in the front quadrant above the living room. Second bedroom or workroom in the adjacent front quadrant. Bathroom in one rear quadrant, positioned above the kitchen to share the plumbing stack and minimize pipe runs. Storage and utility in the fourth rear quadrant. Every bedroom is a true room, with its own door closing it from the landing. The acoustic separation between the 2 bedrooms is achieved by the central stair hall between them, rather than by expensive acoustic wall treatment. Distance and the stair hall structure do the acoustic work for free. The upper floor ceiling follows the hipped roof above it, rising from the perimeter walls toward the central apex. A small dormer, or roof light, at the center of each roof plane delivers additional natural light to the upper rooms and ventilation to the peak of the roof space above the landing. Here is what an American Foursquare tiny home costs to build in 2026. For a 2-story build, with a 20 by 20 foot square plan, 400 square feet per floor, 800 square feet total enclosed floor area, hipped roof, and wide front porch, site preparation and foundation. Concrete slab or pier and beam foundation under a 20 by 20 foot footprint. Site preparation and permits. $18,000 to $34,000. Structural frame. 2-story timber frame on a 20 by 20 foot square plan. The repetitive framing of the Foursquare reduces labor time significantly. Floor framing for both levels. Wall framing for both stories. $24,000 to $40,000. Hipped roof framing and sheathing. 4 equal hip rafters. Common rafters on all 4 planes. OSB sheathing. The identical 4-plane geometry reduces cutting and layout time compared to any multi-gable roof form. $8,000 to $14,000. Roofing. Architectural asphalt shingles or metal roofing on all 4 planes. $6,000 to $11,000. Front porch structure. 4 square timber columns. Porch floor framing and decking. Porch roof and railing. $8,000 to $16,000. Exterior cladding. Fiber cement clapboard or cedar weatherboard on all 4 exterior faces. $9,000 to $17,000. Windows and doors. Standard double-hung windows in period-compatible proportions on both floors. Front door and French doors to porch. $7,000 to $14,000. Insulation and weatherproofing. Batt insulation in walls and ceiling. House wrap air barrier. $6,500 to $11,000. Mechanical systems. Electrical rough-in and fit-off. $5,500 to $10,000. Plumbing for kitchen and bathroom sharing a single stacked wet wall. $6,000 to $11,000. Mini-split heat pump. $2,600 to $5,000. Mechanical total. $14,100 to $26,000. Interior finishes. 2 bedrooms, bathroom, kitchen, living, dining, and entry hall. Budget finish package. $28,000 to $45,000. Mid-range finish package. $48,000 to $78,000. Central staircase. Timber stair with simple turned newel posts and handrail. $4,500 to $9,000. Professional fees and permits. $7,000 to $14,000. Contingency. 10%. Total build cost. Budget owner-managed build with standard finishes. $133,000 to $195,000 for 800 square feet, at $166 to $244 per square foot. Mid-range contractor build with quality finishes. $185,000 to $275,000, at $231 to $344 per square foot. The equivalent 800 square foot 2-story tiny home in a more complex plan form, with a multi-gable roof and L-shaped or irregular footprint. Budget build, $180,000 to $260,000. Mid-range build, $250,000 to $370,000. The Foursquare saves $35,000 to $95,000 on the budget build, and $45,000 to $115,000 on the mid-range build, compared to the equivalent complex plan form. That is the 30% the title promised. And in most real-world comparisons, it is slightly more. So here is the question I want answered in the comments right now. Is the American Foursquare the most underused floor plan in the tiny home movement? A form that delivers 2 full stories of resolved residential space at 30% below the cost of equivalent complex plans, using a structural geometry so efficient it was delivered by catalog for 40 years. Or is the Foursquare's disciplined geometry too visually plain to earn the attention of a tiny home movement that is increasingly drawn to dramatic forms and unconventional silhouettes? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this floor plan gave you a budget argument you did not have before, share it with anyone currently pricing a 2-story tiny home build and wondering why the quotes keep coming in higher than they expected. The Foursquare is the answer to that question. It has been for 130 years. Subscribe to Affordable Tiny Living, so you are here for every floor plan and cost video we publish. I am your host on Affordable Tiny Living. See you in the next one.